Look at these two pages. Same words, same font, same layout, but one looks professional, and one looks like a ransom note from a crayon box. The difference? Font color. It sounds simple, but most self-published authors get this wrong, and it makes their entire book look amateur. In this video, I'll show you the mistakes, the fixes, and how AI can pick better font colors for you in seconds. In the last video, we covered typography, the fonts themselves, but picking the right font is only half the battle. The color of your text affects readability, mood, and whether your book looks polished or homemade. And here's what most people don't realize. Font color isn't just black or not black. Even for body text, there are better choices. And once you start adding headings, accents, captions, color decisions multiply fast. The good news? There are simple rules that work every time, and AI can handle most of the heavy lifting. Mistake number 1, pure black on pure white. Pure black, #00000 on pure white, is actually harder to read than you think. The contrast is harsh, it creates eye strain. Professionals almost always soften it. Use #33333 or #22222. Small change, big difference. Mistake number 2, too many text colors. This is the big one, especially in children's books and workbooks. Red, blue, green, everywhere. It feels chaotic. Rule: 1 accent color, maybe 2. That's it. Consistency is what makes a book feel professional. Mistake number 3, ignoring contrast. If your reader can't read it, nothing else matters. Do the squint test. And don't forget, about 8% of men are colorblind. So those are the mistakes. Now let me show you something most people don't realize. Instead of guessing, you can have AI choose your color system. Here's what I type into ChatGPT. I'm designing a children's book. Suggest a body text color and 1 accent color. Include hex codes.
Include hex codes. And instantly, you get something like body equals 333333. Accent equals 4A90E2. But here's where it gets powerful. You can iterate. Make it more playful. Give me 3 options. Rank by readability. You're basically working with a design assistant. Now watch this. The content didn't change, the layout didn't change. Only the color system changed, but the entire page now feels professional. This is what most people miss. Good design isn't decoration, it's consistency. Let me give you something practical you can use right now. Font color cheat sheet. Body text .333333 or .2222222. Headings 1 accent color. Max colors 3 total. Always test contrast. Use the squint test. When in doubt, ask ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of this. This alone will fix 90% of font color problems. So that's font color. Simple topic, but it makes a huge difference. If you watch the typography video, you now have both pillars, fonts and color. That's where books start to look professional. If you missed it, I'll link it right here. Also, check out the free color website by Adobe at color.adobe.com. This is a fantastic free site about using color. Subscribe if this helped. I'm putting out new videos all the time on using AI to build a real publishing business. See you in the next one.